What kind of gift you trying to find? What is it for?
So it's her birthday.
Okay. Okay. Let's use the best ever intelligent Cupid engine and see what we got. Right?
All right.
Budget range. What are you thinking?
$200.
All right. So, and keep in mind, it doesn't matter what the budget is. It could be 50, 1,000. We'll be able to customize something specific. And the interest is mentioned was entrepreneurship, perfume. So which were you meaning?
So I kind of wanted something that kind of, she's also African, so she's interested into things that are like, you know, ventures.
Right, and instantly you gift ideas customized specifically for her.
I want to Cancun.
Ooh,
and
nice.
One of the things I want to do is on the birthday, the night of the birthday, I want to plan out something for her, like special at the resort.
So as you can see, start listing out individually what you could do, and the great thing is that you could pick from the things, right? So you don't have to do everything. You could pick and say, okay, I want to do the tropical flavors breakfast, or I want to do the snorkeling adventure. I want to do.
Got you. So it's like it's giving me literally a whole day here itinerary.
But remember, regardless of all these things that we're able to help you, this is your co-pilot, right? This is going to be like your co-pilot to assist you with your relationship.
Right.
But at the end of the day, you know her best, because our goal is to help you to keep her.
Right.
All right, that's what best day ever is.
Got you.